We stand in front, ready to play. Grandpa will guide our magical day. On your back we ride along, singing loud our silly song. Under the table we search as a team, shining our light with the curious beam. In front of me you wait so sweet, round little paws and bouncing feet. On my back, surprise attack. Mimi makes me tumble back. Down to the bottom, Grandpa goes, laughing loud from head to toes. Lilit is taller than Grandpa and Mimi, so she stands in the middle for all to see. In the middle, 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 how tall she can be. On the top, 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 top we pile with care, gifts of love for all to share. Under, 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 under the stones we see little secrets hiding, waiting there for you and me. Little chick is inside the basket bright. She jumps and hops inside, trying with all her might. One big hop, she's outside, spreading wings to play. She leaves the basket smiling and gently flies away. On the top, on the top, on the top of the haystack high, little Mimi, brave and small, stands so tall against the sky. Her tail wags on the top, so proud, shouting, look, I'm on the top. Out loud. Little bird sits above, singing softly from above. Lilit points her hand above, Mimi jumps toward above. Grandpa smiles and looks above, see the bird up high above. We raise our arms up above, learning words with joy and love. Little bird flies down so kind, then hides behind, behind, behind. Grandpa smiles and stays in place, the bird pops out from behind his waist. Mimi jumps and tries to